The administration's senatorial slate under the Alyansa para sa Bagong Pilipinas coalition brought its campaign efforts to Pangasinan, one of the country's vote-rich provinces with over 2.15 million registered voters presenting their platforms to energize local support. PTV's Mela Lesmoras has the report.
Alyansa para sa Bagong Pilipinas senatorial candidates defended the government's 20 peso rice program. In a press conference today held in Dagupan City, Pangasinan, criticisms such as the program's timing appear to be politically motivated were discussed. However, the group had this to say.
Ganun talaga eh. Whatever timing it is, kahit na last year pa yun, sasabihin niya rin, konektado sa election. Ganun talaga. You will never be able to please everyone. The important thing is you do what is right.
My take, pagka tinutulungan mo yung kahirapan at saka gutom, nothing is too late, nothing is too little. Gutom yan sa kakahirapan yun lang.
Congressman Erwin Tulfo also emphasized the need to review the rice tariffication law to ensure the long-term sustainability of affordable rice.
Gawin natin yung mga subsidy para sa poorest of the poor, ibigay lahat dyan sa NFA para makabili sila ng bigas, and then yung NFA ibenta yung bigas immediately after they purchase the mga farm gate para may murang bigas lagi.
Earlier, Senator Bong Revilla also shared nothing but praises to this program.
Napakalaking bagay ito. Ito'y campaign promise ng ating mahal na Pangulo na dapat nating tuparin sa sambayanan.
Team Alyansa went to Pangasinan today for their latest campaign rally. With just under 3 weeks left before the 2025 national elections, the administration's senatorial bet said they will further intensify their efforts to woo voters.
Ramdam mo yung dalahan ng grupo at nakakatuwa, nakakatago sa puso itong ginagawa.
So maraming salamat po sa lahat ng pumunta rito.
Prior to this, Alyansa senatorial candidate Manny Pacquiao also visited Dasmariñas, Cavite along with other Alyansa bets. While for House Deputy Speaker Camille Villar, she assured to continue prioritizing overseas Filipino workers. From PTV, Mela Lesmoras, Balitang Pambansa.